If you have dogs, this is for you. It's Saturday in our house, which means it's time to clean out the dog crates, and I'm going to show you besties the easiest way to do it. I used to take this outside and spray them with a hose, but that was way too much work, so I start by vacuuming out the hair, and then I just mop the crates like I would mop the floors. This has made my life so much easier. This spin mop specifically is my absolute favorite and a must-have because it keeps the clean and dirty water separate, and these bristles clean off the dog hair when it spins. If you have dogs, grab this mop in the TikTok shop below and try it out for yourself. You will not regret it.